Want to quickly overlay photos on your iPhone? Open the Shortcuts app on your device now. Tap the Shortcuts tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap the plus icon in the upper right corner. Now, search for the action Select Photos. Tap it. Repeat the process by selecting this feature again. Search for Overlay Image and press and hold it. Tap Select Variable and choose Photos under the first section. Press and hold the second word. Tap Select Variable. Tap Photos under the second Select Photos section. Now search for Save to Photos and tap it. Click the arrow and tap Rename. Enter Overlay Images. Tap Done. The shortcut then appears in the list. Press and hold the shortcut. Tap Details to proceed. Choose Show in Share Sheet and optionally add to the home screen. To use it, tap the shortcut and select your first image. Select your second image to create the overlay. Adjust opacity, rotate if needed, and click Done. Your new photo appears in your gallery instantly. Subscribe for more useful tips.